Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Chanel, and here on my channel I do makeup tutorial, family vlogs, and more. So yeah, we're gonna be getting into these brows today. So this is an in detail eyebrow tutorial using like brow pomade because I'm not using like a pencil right now. So I got my brows done recently, so I don't need to put no jam or anything like that. So I don't know why I'm looking for the jam right here or whatever. So I'm brushing them up. You always make sure to brush them upwards before you get started. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. So right here, I just want to set my brows before I do anything to them. I want to put some setting powder. This one is from Maybelline. It could be any setting powder you choose, and you just want to set it in place. So now we're gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. You know I love this stuff. Excuse my boyfriend in the back. He's trying to fix my AC or whatever. You know your girl needs the air. And my son is crying in the background. Sorry about that. You know, so yeah, so I'm just gonna draw my brows in. I'm starting from the bottom line, just drawing a line at the bottom, and then after that you just draw hair-like strokes in between, you know, the brows. So I can show you better than I can tell you. So just continue to watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help.
With the dread, come on.
Talk street art, sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color.
Yes, y'all. So I want to tell y'all, don't forget to brush your brows out with a spoolie or a little kind of brush or something like that. I'm trying to adjust the scenery. You know, he's trying to help me in the background there, trying to do a whole bunch of stuff in my video. I'm sorry for that. He's doing too much. But, you know, I got to love him because he helps your girl out, you know, with her dreams and her goals. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Look at them brows. Look at them. Go. So you just fill them in. You don't want them too dark, but you don't want them too light. Because if they too light, the makeup gonna overpower them or whatever. That's how I feel. So they look so good, I feel, because I did my brows. Because I didn't do my brows in so long. I just had them bushy. You know, because the concealer always cleans it up. I'm like, girl, let me get my eyebrows done because I was already in a nail salon. So I did them. She messed them up a little bit. You know, that's why I don't like to do my brows by these little Chinese people. They be doing too much. But yeah, you brush them out with a spoolie, y'all. And look at the brows. Don't worry don't worry about the imperfections right now. We're gonna clean them up with some concealer. Okay? Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Ha, 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 ha. Yes, we're gonna take my new baby, my Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I think this is a hydrating concealer. I feel like it's better because it just didn't leave that much cracks and my eyes be getting dry. You understand? Yeah. Yo, I play too much, but this concealer is really fire. Like, $34 is worth it, and I'm so hyped. Look. Hey. Okay, yeah. So let me stop talking. And we gonna clean them up. We gonna take like an angle brush, like one of them angle brushes. People usually use them for different usage. I usually use a regular concealer brush to line them up, but it had like white product on it, and I ain't gonna use that. So yeah, I use this angle brush, and this is from Wet n Wild. I got it from Amazon. You know, fire. And we just gonna clean them babies up, okay? Clean them babies up. The rest is very self-explanatory, so y'all could just watch and learn. You know what I'm saying? Any questions, you drop them down below. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel.
Todd, can you play that again?
Hey yo, bend that shit.
A lot of people don't like to conceal the top of their eyebrows, but I do. I don't know why. I just do. I put foundation like over it, but I like that kind of highlight effect. It just be given for me. But yeah. Lining them up, you know. And then you want to blend them out too. I did blend it out. You gotta blend. Okay? Blends. And take your time because this took longer. I think this took like 15 minutes or whatever because you gotta have the brows really wet, and then you have to blend it out because, baby, you don't want no harsh lines. Blend that baby down. Blend that baby up and out. Okay? So yeah, that's me trying to make a reel on my other phone because Instagram and TikTok and everywhere else told me I need to make, you know, TikToks and reels to grow. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grow. So I'm trying to organize the other phone, but I'm, you know, yeah, that's it. Blending that out.
secret. She came with her nigga, but she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends, then we skirt off in the bands. Oh, took her back to my crib.
Todd, can you play that again?
Came with her, came with her. She came with her, with her. She gon' slide right to my side. I know. Put her legs in the sky whenever I pull up those stuff. Pull up those stuff. Pull up those stuff. Pull up those stuff. Please no dick. Jealous, the city is my palace.
So I'm using the P. Louise base because I'm doing a creative eyeshadow look, and I have to use like white eyeshadow base so the eyeshadows could pop. But other than that, if I wasn't doing a creative eyeshadow look, I'll just put the concealer all over my eyes and then go in with regular concealer. Don't forget to go check out my creative eyeshadow look because it should be coming out right after this one.
But she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends, then we skirt off in the bands. Oh, took her back to my crib, and I regret it. Took her back. Took her back. But she gon' slide. Took her back. Took her back. Took her back.
So it's basically the same process. You put that product all over, and this is the P. Louise base in the shade 1. I got this from Morphine, and I'm just blending that out, like really blending that out so the eyeshadow could pop, and that's it. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. Stay tuned for the next creative eyeshadow look that should be coming out after this one.